AI is everywhere right now, in every industry, be it marketing, advertising, supply chain, production, or any other industry for that matter. But there's one tiny issue, and that is sometimes AI becomes too confident. बहुत confident बन जाता है वो. And that time वो फेंकने लग जाता है. AI फेंकने लग जाता है? Seriously, that's called as AI hallucination. A hallucination happens when an AI generates a sound answer, an answer which looks actually correct but is factually wrong. So, why does AI hallucinate? The reason lies in how these systems are built. Large language models are trained on massive amounts of data sets, be it books, articles, websites, billions of them, and other internet sources. But this data has a cutoff date. That means AI doesn't know anything beyond the point where its training has stopped. If you ask about events, happenings, or any other information after that date, it will just guess. Yes, it will just guess. Even within its training window, AI doesn't store facts like a database. It is just predicting the next word in a sequence on the basis of probability. This is called as auto-regressive generation. So, if an LLM model encounters gaps in its training or biases during its training or conflicting information in its training data, then it will fill these gaps with fabricated information. That is what we call as hallucination. So, for example, you might ask, who won the Bengal elections? And if an LLM model is not being trained on the current data, then it might just say Baba Ramdev. No, seriously. It might just give you an answer which is not true. And that's why AI hallucinations can be very risky, especially in the field of law, medicine, finance. So, after realizing this loophole, researchers are working on solutions. They have come up with two solutions as of now. One is where they are connecting AI and particular AI model with an live database. How is that done? Via RAG. RAG is Retrieval Augmented Generation. Basically, what they're doing is they're connecting an LLM model with an external source of data where the LLM model can actually fetch live database and keep on updating itself in terms of knowledge, in terms of information. The second solution is applying reinforcement learning via human feedback. When you're using a particular LLM model, at that time, have you ever noticed that many times it will ask you for feedback, whether this particular answer is good in this manner or in another manner? It will give you two options of answers and it will ask you which one did you like. Now that is human feedback. Based on that, it will enhance itself in terms of capabilities and it will learn from human feedback. These two methods are helping reduce hallucination, but it is not completely eliminated yet. So the key takeaway is AI can provide you answers based on data that has been fed, but it is not the source of truth. Always verify, always cross check. AI can be used as an assistant, it cannot be used as an authority